Hello everyone, today there will be a very useful video for absolutely everyone. I will show you how you can improve the sound quality on your smartphone. That is, so that there are normal bass, so that you listen to absolutely any music simply with pleasure. And there is a normal extended frequency range, so that you hear every played note as you should. Plus, your sound volume will increase. Of course, this will please you very much. Look, the setting is actually a little hidden. It is located on almost all smartphones, just few people use it. Now I will tell you everything and show you how to get there, how to activate absolutely without any programs and applications. Do not forget to support with a like, subscribe to the channel and share with friends. So, look, for this you need to use the usual standard settings that are on almost every smartphone. Next, look for information about your phone or information about the phone. Next, look for the version of your firmware, or it can also be called the build number. Quickly click several times. It will write to you, "Congratulations, you have become a developer." Well, in my case it said that it is not necessary. You are already a developer, because I have this function activated earlier. Then we go back. And here we look for advanced settings. Those who cannot find advanced settings, it means that you have it somewhere in the standard settings, or some smartphones have a system section. In general, we press, and we need to find the developer mode. Here's the only downside, that there is no search here, but you need to scroll carefully. By the way, the number of these functions, it also depends on your smartphone. The more expensive the phone model, the more different functions there will be here, of course. But, at least, even in the budget series there are just a lot of them. That is, really, a lot. Look, find HD audio. Here, that is, this is HD sound. Usually this slider, it is turned off in all. That is, this is an extended range of sound, so that it plays cleaner, so that the sound is better, more pleasant, the volume of sound will be added. In general, you will be very, very pleased. Personally, I always activate this good function on every smartphone. In general, we take it, activate it and enjoy the already very high quality sound.